Hi everyone, it's Anita and Ron from Altro, and we're bringing you a series of short videos detailing the best practice guide for floors and walls. So in other words, what to look out for when signing off a job.
Yeah, hi everybody. Today we're going to be looking at the principles of fitting Altro flooring around obstructions, such as pipe works, door frames, sanitary ware, etc.
Okay, Ron, so what are we looking at here? Presumably this shows bad practice fitting around a toilet base.
Yeah, what you can see is it's poorly cut floor with no seal around the actual toilet base.
And silly question, but why is this bad?
Well, with no seal, water and bacteria can get into the flooring. Cleaning will be harder, doesn't look pleasant, and the floor is potentially going to foul.
Yeah, you can definitely see that flooring is poorly fitted. So let's have a look at what a good job would look like.
Sure, I mean the sanitary ware and the floor are neatly sealed with mastic, which looks good. It's easy to clean, and there's no gaps where water and bacteria can get under the floor.
Yeah, so definitely a good example of best practice. So let's just do a quick comparison of the two side by side.
Right, I mean, the image on the right shows the best practice here for fitting flooring around sanitary ware. The sanitary ware and the floor are neatly sealed with mastic, which looks good, it's easy to clean, and there's no gaps where water, bacteria can get under the floor. This really demonstrates best practice and should be applied to any obstructions really, such as pipe works, door frames, sanitary ware, etc.
Okay, that's great, Ron, thanks. So we hope you found this best practice guide to fitting Altro safety floor around obstructions useful. To keep up to date with the rest of our best practice guide videos, follow us on our YouTube channel, where you can also view many of our other useful hints and tips. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, thanks everybody. See you next time.